Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video I'm going to guide you through how to log into Kroger credit card account. If you'd like to get access to your account information securely wherever you are, or whenever you want, review your account balances, make your payments and monitor your recent transactions. Then keep watching the video till the end. If you're not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser and in the search box, type in Kroger credit card login and press enter. In the search results that appear on the next place, click on this first link that says Kroger Reward World Light MasterCard Home. Once you click on that link, you'll be taken to the next page where you'll be able to do this kind of an interface. Go and click on the login button at the top right-hand corner to bring up the login area. Now enter your username in the first text box that appears, and then right underneath you'll be able to see the small box. If you'd like the system to remember you usually need in this particular device, then you can check this box before moving on. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, make sure that this box is unchecked. Now head over to the password field and type in your password for your account. Make sure to type it in correct. You can double check by clicking on this little show link the right corner of the box. In case you've forgotten your username or your password, you can click on this Get a Login Help link and follow the instructions. Finally, after you're done typing in your information and you're ready to log in, call this login button and you'll be logged into your Kroger credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.